Hi, writer friends. Happy new moon. Let's pull a card to inspire our practice this month. For those of you who are new, I'm Meg Heyertz. I'm the author of Tarot for Beginners and the founder of Creative Momentum, where we help writers free their voice, nourish their practice, and finish their projects. All right, I have the Modern Witch deck by Lisa Sterle here. And let's ask what will inspire our practice this month. Okay, our jumping out card is the Queen of Wands. Um, the Queen of Wands loves a group chat, loves a group text thread, loves a party, loves to be plugged into the creative process with their friends. Um, so this month might be to really go make art with the friends who inspire you. Um, and and also the Queen of Wands is in tune with their willpower and doesn't force situations, but is comfortable in their ability to really make the art happen, or really invite the art to happen, in a way that the art trusts us to come out and party. Um, so this month, consider the ways in which you are plugged into writing or artistic community, or the ways you would like to become more plugged in creatively, um, and write about the characters who are plugged into their communities, and even ask your characters for advice um, about how to um, kind of get the creative party going, or writing scenes of characters who are really good at bringing people together, um, and even exploring kind of what are the hidden sides of that, what happens when those characters don't get what they want, when they expect their willpower to lead them to where they want, and it doesn't. So this is a good month to really play with willpower, and what are we capable of when we celebrate our willpower, and also what are the limits of our willpower, both as individuals and as collectives. Um, yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. Happy writing. Let me know how it goes, and have fun.